In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change display name on Gmail. I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can change your display name on Gmail. Yes, I know some of you are wondering, display name? Yes, there's a difference between your email address on Gmail and your display name. Now, I'm going to explain to you the difference just in a moment and also show you how to set a custom display name. For example, if you run a company or a brand and would like to use your Gmail account for your brand, maybe for your brand promotion or for marketing purposes, with a proper customized display name, it will be possible. So let's get started. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. The first thing you do is head over to gmail.com. So open up a browser, type gmail.com. gmail.com. And the next thing you're going to do after getting here is to click on the gear icon, which is this one over here, to open up your settings. So the settings will be at the top of the drop down menu. So here, tap on see all, click on see all settings, and then the next thing you're going to do is after that is you head over to the accounts and import section, that is this one over here. Tap on it, in this case click on it. The next thing is you can see this part of send mail as, and this is where you have the name, this is a display name, and then you have your email address. So what you're going to do is, for example, let's say I want to change it. So in front of it here we have what we call edit information. Tap on edit information, and then you come here and you put in the new email display name you want. That could be your company logo or something. For example, let's say I want to use Twoguysfinance. So I've done that, and next thing I'm going to do is, this is just to give your account a more professional touch. So now you can switch between the two. You can see it has switched to this one, and then you tap on save changes. So you select save changes, and that's basically it. From now on, recipients of your email will not only see your Gmail or email address, but also your associated display name with your custom brand or username featured in it, and that's basically it. So you can see it was super simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more.